Hi, this is Mina from Prime Residential. Welcome to 11 Java Lane in Point Cook. It's a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom and a double car space. It's a townhouse. Alright, coming in, we have our entrance hallway with stairs leading to the upstairs area. And then on the left side, we have our double car garage with internal access. Okay. And coming through on the left side, we have the downstairs bedroom with a sliding door access to the back and a double door closet. And here we have a storage. And that's the door leading to the back of the property. So here we have a living, dining and kitchen area with a split system in the lounge area. Really good size with a sliding door access to the balcony. These are the views. And then here we have the kitchen, which is really nice and spacious with there's lots of cupboard space, dishwasher, sink, stove, range hood, and an oven, and a place for your fridge. And then here we have the kitchen. I'm sorry, the dining area. Then on the right side, we have our powder room, a toilet, a nice mirror, and then going to the 3rd floor, we have the rest of the bedrooms. So here we have a 2nd bedroom with a double door closet. So that's the master bedroom with a split system in here. Very good size. And then here we have our ensuite with a large shower, toilet, double vanity, and again a double door closet. Here we have a built-in cupboard, and a small study area. And here we have the European style laundry. Then on the right side, we have a main bathroom with a vanity toilet and a bathtub, the shower. Then here we have our 3rd and last bedroom with a big closet and a split system in this area. Again, really good size. All right, that's it guys. Thank you for watching. Just letting you know that you can apply based on this video. There is no need for a physical inspection if you're happy with it, but if you have any questions or you'd like to book for an inspection, you can give our officer a call on 9190-8909. Thanks, bye.